All right, now I'm taking a second pass, and this is really looking nice. Hey guys, Capper here, welcome back. So let me give you a little bit of background on this particular project. This is at our Southern Missouri Project 205. So this driveway was severely washed out. It's what they call a river rock driveway down here in Southern Missouri. They use basically rock that they scoop up from the creeks and riverbeds here as the rock builds up. So it's a variance of small rock with big rock, but it does not have packing powder in it. So for the last, 20 years, this thing has totally washed out. So the rain has been going right down the lanes of the driveway, which is what happens in hill country when you lose your crown, you lose your ditching and all that. So we hired a company to come in and help us out with this, and yeah, troubles. Everything's wet, the gravel's wet, sticking to the truck bed. Still don't want to come out. On this entire 1,800 feet, we laid probably anywhere between 6 and 10 inches of base layer as an average, basically just to build up the crown again, and we rebuilt the gutters on both sides, and the water's going to run off now properly. So they finished this with a skid steer, which did a pretty good job, but it needs better. There's a little bit of swales in here and bumps. So today I'm going to take out the ABI attachments, the TR3 tractor rake, which I'm telling you, I love this implement. Yes, they were a sponsorship, but I'm sold on them 100%. Yeah, after all the years of using this thing. So today we're just going to do the very final grade and get all the swales and bumps out of this thing, and it's going to look beautiful when we're done. So thanks for joining us. Let's finish this out. Have a great weekend.
overgrown acre standing in your way, thorny brush that ruins your day. Don't you worry, don't you break a sweat, we're the best darn crew that you've ever met. Welcome to Capper Outdoors, hear the engines roar. We tame those big old trees and clear from shore to shore, pushing dirt with a bulldozer, making brand new ground for a field of dreams where your future's found. That stubborn old oak with the tangled roots deep got secrets of the old timers it wants to keep. We fire up the diesel, give a mighty shove, making way for the vision that you're dreaming of. Welcome to Capper Outdoors, hear the engines roar. We tame those big old trees and clear from shore to shore, pushing dirt with a bulldozer, making brand new ground for a field of dreams where your future's found. Capper Outdoors, yeah, we clear the land. That's right.
Okay, so even after hiring the skid steer, it had a lot of swales and bumps and that. The TR3 really knocked it down beautifully. Knocked the high spots, the low spots, brought them together with the front rake. So I definitely love using this thing. Huge success. Let's finish this project out and hope to see you on a future project. Thanks a lot. Alright, now I'm taking a second pass and this is really looking nice. Second pass. It's nice to have, 6 to 8 inches of fresh new stone on top.